Nearly every home has at least one troublesome door like this one here that just refuses to stay open and swing shut by itself.
Now there's several things that you can do to cure this problem. One is a small wood wedge you can put right on the floor, but it'll end up getting lost. Another one that's a real neat trick is to remove your hinge pin. Use a hammer on a good hard surface to bend the hinge pin. Put it back in, it'll cause just enough resistance that'll solve the problem in most cases.
In fact, Danny, we tried that with this door. We bent the top hinge pin, but the swing is so heavy that it didn't hold much. The door still swung shut. So I'm trying something new here, which I think will work even better. I put a door stop behind the door, and I screwed a metal washer to the end of it. Then I put the magnetic catch on the back of the door and marked where it met the magnet. Then I'm simply screwing the magnet to the back of the door right on my marks. I want to test it before I put in another screw. Go ahead and try that, Danny. Right there.
Okay.
Beautiful.
That takes care of that. Of course, you'll want to make sure that you're using a metal washer when you're attaching it to the doorstop. And once you get finished, the magnet will take care of this problem.